All right, welcome into the show, Creative Crypto here. It looks like the crypto market has been recovering from the crash we had about 5 or 6 days ago here back on August 5th. It was a crazy, just out of the nowhere type of crash, and that does happen in crypto from time to time. But I told you guys to stay strong, not to sell yourself short, and losses are not losses until you actually sell at a loss. So the fact that on paper you may have been down, a good chunk of percentage here, looking at 30-40%, if you continue to hold, you were rewarded for it and almost back to where we were up in this range. So it is nice to see the Solana price recovering from those lows, and the meme coin market hasn't missed a beat. There are meme coins being created every single day that hit multi-million-dollar in market cap, if not more. I'm going to share with you guys my trading results here from the last week. And these trading results have been from copy trading. I didn't actually trade any of these coins on my own. I much prefer to do copy trading because it really gives you an edge over the competition if you can find the profitable traders that are making these great trades. Because then you have multiple eyes and ears working for you to find these meme coins and scout it out and get into the good gem plays. Because if you trade on your own, you can only look at so much in a certain amount of time. But you can duplicate that and compound that by having copy traders that are working for you and finding these meme coins and trading them. I was able to hit on 2 big copy trades last week, and I want to share with you guys how those trades went. The first one was from the good old OG Gem wallet, which I've shared on the channel for over 4 months now. I actually made a video a couple weeks ago talking about this wallet, and they hit it again, guys, because I had missed out on the smoking chicken fish trade that this wallet made. And since then, I lowered my minimum buy amount to $100,000, and it was able to get into this play on wDOG, which was absolutely a home run play. And the OG Gem wallet actually got into this around 40K, but then they also bought a few other times at around 150, 300, 500K. And this coin right now is sitting at $16 million market cap. So over a 50x on most of these entries here. We can see where the OG Gem wallet actually bought in on this. You can see back here is when they initially got in. And like I said, the first one was on Pump.fun at 40K. And then they bought in 3 other times once it hit Radium. And they've been continuing to buy ever since, and actually has never sold any of these coins, which is truly incredible because the amount of money that this trader is up right now is close to $500,000. So really incredible to see. I hope you guys were able to hit on this trade as well. If you were following the strategy that I shared in the OG Gem wallet video, you guys should have hit this trade. Now, of course, before this trade, there was some other losing trades, and that does happen. It's part of the meme coin game. You're not going to have a home run on every single coin, but you want to keep yourself in the game and have good bankroll management skills that allow you to be able to hit on these huge plays. So here was my copy trades from the OG Gem wallet. This is back on August 5th. As you can see right here, this was the 3 buys that I was able to get because my minimum settings were minimum $100,000 or more the coins would purchase. So here's the proof in the pudding. Okay, as you can see, unfortunately for me, I did lower my buy amount significantly from where it was because they had been purchasing a lot of coins, namely Bullish was a coin that this wallet just kept buying and buying and buying. So I wanted to just lower that amount so I wasn't exposed too much. So basically, I was able to get about $10 worth of wDOG. You can see the 3 buys right here, and that has been performing extremely well. I did take some profit on the first day because I wasn't sure what this coin would do, because there's been times where I go to sleep and I'm in profit on a coin and then I wake up and the coin's completely dumped. So I was able to secure some profit around $5 million market cap for this. I sold half of my position and was able to lock in some profit. Let me show you my current position with wDOG. Okay guys, so you can see this here. This is from my Trojan bot, currently holding 1.8 SOL worth of wDOG. Now these P&Ls are a little skewed because there was more buys after the initial big pump, that I did allow them to start accumulating more because, maybe this goes up to 50 million, 100 million like smoking chicken fish. I don't want to miss out on that. But my initial buy of $10 basically has turned into over $300. And you can see I did take out half a SOL worth right here. Now, if I would have continued to hold that, that would have been 3x of what I took out. So this would have been 1.5 Sol. And it's tough to tell. That's the name of the game, is when do you lock in profit versus when do you hold? Because you never know what these meme coins can do. We saw a coin yesterday that the OG Gem wallet got in. It went up from 40K to 400K and then absolutely crashed. And there's been coins that do that in the past. So you're not going to get all coins that go up to, 10 million, $20 million market cap. You have to just try to play the game the best you can and secure the profits when they are there. But also you want to try to leave a moon bag just in case this thing does skyrocket, which is what I'm doing here. So this was the first big trade of the week. Of course, I wish I would have had invested more than $10 into this in the very beginning, but that's how it goes, and profit is profit. So I hope you guys were able to catch this trade as well, because this was an absolute home run type of copy trade. Okay, now the second big trade that happened, and this is actually my all-time record for a copy trade. I posted this in my Telegram group when it did happen, when I did notice it. And this was honestly my best copy trade of all time. And let me kind of share the timeline of how it happened. Now, I did have work for my normal job on this day, and I usually check my Telegram in the morning, and then I go to work, and then I check it when I get home. And in the morning, there wasn't any trades. I was like, okay, probably a slow day. So I go to work, come back home, and I see just insane profit. And it felt like I hit the lottery, which basically I did. And this is why I copy trade, guys, for these moments just like this, because you truly never know when one of your wallets can stumble across an absolute gem play. And that's why you look for wallets that go for those bigger gains, because some of these wallets may have sold this coin too early and didn't realize all these gains. Now, I actually got lucky because I had two wallets that was able to capture this copy trade. Okay, one wallet got in super early, and then another wallet got in about 4 minutes later. And you can see right here, this is how I label my copy traders. This wallet I found back on August 4th from the Zelfie Guru list. That's what I put a Z here. Z84, and it was actually the fourth wallet I found on that list. So it really hadn't done any trades up till now. And then all of a sudden, it hits on this huge one. This wallet I found on 728, and they as well weren't doing many trades before then. So that's why you truly never know, guys. If you do find some wallets from the Zelfie Guru spreadsheet, give it time, be patient. As long as you pick out a good wallet, just stick with it, and as long as they have a balance in their account, it's most likely they're going to continue to trade. So I got these two buys in. They were successful because I had that high slippage, 300%, 400% if you have to, and both of these were successful. And this is how great copy trading is, because I didn't have to do anything. I was literally at work, and this was all happening without me even knowing about it. And then these traders proceeded to sell laddered positions out of this coin at certain times and was able to make an absolute killing. Now you can see the way this coin was. It did have a huge pump and then it dumped, unfortunately. But it lasted long enough for people to profit off of this. Like I said, not all coins are going to go to tens of millions of dollars. And so long story short, when I got off work and I checked my Trojan bot on Telegram, this was what I saw. This picture right here. And I'm going, are you kidding me? 21x on a coin, invested 0.88 and profited over 18 Solana on one trade that lasted an hour and 24 minutes. So this is by far my best copy trade of all time. I mean, this is honestly most than I make in a month sometimes working at my normal job. And I made this in an hour with a copy trade. Now this is rare. This doesn't happen very often. I've been copy trading over 4 months now, and this is the first time I've ever hit a trade like this. So truly incredible, but I just want to show you guys that it is possible and it can happen. And you can do this just like I am. I'm showing you how I find these wallets to trade and exactly the process that I go through. So this was really one of the best days I've ever had in cryptocurrency. Seeing those type of gains in one day, truly remarkable and something that I'll never forget. And I want you guys to experience that as well. And I hope some of you were able to do that with wDOG, because that was a similar coin that actually pumped up more than this coin. And I've shown you guys the exact process that I do when finding these coins. You get the Zelfie Guru spreadsheet from the Zelfie Guru Premium, which you do have to pay for. But honestly, guys, if you can find some good wallets in here, you can make that $80 up in no time. And just a heads up, I did find this out after my last video, how you can freeze this top section. You just press freeze up to one row, and it will freeze this top section, and then you can keep this when you scroll through to see the top section. So if you want to know how to do this, if you want to know how to find these wallets like I did here using this spreadsheet, check out my last video because I explain everything in that video, how to do that, how to filter through these wallets, and how to find the best ones to copy trade. And like I said, you might activate some of these wallets today and they don't trade for a couple weeks, but when they do, they're going to hit some bangers, and that's what you want to have. All right, guys, before I end the video, I want to show you also how you can look for insider wallets that are making these trades, because a lot of these traders that you're going to hit on are insiders that know about these coins early, or they are just really good at stumbling across these coins early when they hit Pump.fun. Now you can try to find these wallets and see if they continue to use the same wallet, and if they do, you can copy trade it. So let me show you how to do that. You can come over here to a top coin. Let's go to this one, this meme coin. This one has pumped up to 1.8 million. So what you can do is you can copy this, take it over to Photon, paste it in there, and then instead of going to the top trader section like I've shown you before, you can kind of mix it up and go to the transaction section. And instead of looking for the top traders, you're going to look at who bought in super early. So you just click over here by the date. You can see normally it'll be on here. These are the recent trades that are happening right now. But if you click right here, it's going to bring up the first trades that happened with this coin. And this is potentially how you can find insider wallets. Now, some of these early trades could be the dev themselves, could be multiple wallets from other people. So you do have to kind of filter through this stuff. But what you can do is just click on here and see, how long they held. Like this one, for example, you don't want to check this one because they didn't hold very long. You want to get ones that are actually holding. Same with this one, probably just a little sniper there. So just look for ones that actually held, and then you can research them. This wallet didn't hold very long either. Now this wallet made a ton of transactions, so we'll potentially look into that one. This one here did pretty well. They made a good amount of SOL, so we'll check into this wallet. This is what you can do if you're in a budget crunch and you can't afford the Zelfie Guru Premium. You can try to find these insider wallets and just pick out 3 good ones and scan those and see if they're worth copy trading. So this looks like a good one here. This one made a bunch of Solana as well. So let's look at these 3 that we just picked out and see if they still have a Solana balance in their wallet. This one does right here, so there's a good chance they continue to trade. Let's see if they've made any trades since then, and they have. They've been trading this Waves coin. Okay, good. So we will scan this wallet in a second. This wallet has 1.8 Solana. They've made a few trades since, so that one's worth looking into. And this one as well still has a Solana balance. Let's see what trades they've been making. Okay, so pretty good. So they've made a few trades here, not as many as the other ones, but it's worth scanning. So we'll take this, scan it in Zelfie Guru. Back to this one, do the same thing with this one. And the third one. Okay, so this first one is showing a 70% ROI with a 31% win rate. So kind of low on the win rate. I prefer 50% or more, but they do have 100 SOL profit in 30 days. So win rate isn't always a be-all end-all, but it is something that you have to consider if you are copy trading, because you can see this trader has 67% losing trades. So they do hit on some winners, and the winners that they do hit on are pretty big ones. But you can see 3x on meme, so they didn't make as much on meme that I would have liked, because you could have made much more on that one if you bought in early when this wallet did. So this one I'll pass for now. Now let's see this one. This one has a 25% win rate, 23% ROI. It's not showing their meme trade because they did more trades after that, it looks like. Again, kind of more losing trades than I would prefer. So the third wallet, this one looks pretty interesting. 41% win rate, that's a little bit better. 26% ROI on this one. They've made 152 Solana in 30 days, so that's looking pretty solid. Still 53% on the losing trades, so these are probably just people that are gambling early on Pump.fun trades. But you can see a 60x there for meme. So this one, personally, I wouldn't copy trade because it looks like they just got lucky hitting on these trades. And personally, when I copy trade, I don't like to be the one that is gambling and taking a bunch of losses, hoping to hit that 50x down the line. I want to get in with a trader that knows what they're doing and is hitting these trades consistently. So that's okay, we didn't find one here, but you could just continue to go through and do the same thing and go to those early traders, and maybe you stumble across one that's an absolute gem. Just another way to do it, guys. Instead of going to the top traders, you can just go through the early traders as well, because it kind of gets you straight to the point where you want to find these traders that are getting in early on these coins and making a lot of profit. So guys, that does it for this video. I just want to share with you guys the copy trading results that I've had here the last week. It's been an absolutely incredible week here, continuing to profit on these meme coins. Whether the market goes up or down, meme coins will be here to trade and they will be here to make profit from. I hope you guys had a great week as well with this copy trading. Trading meme coins is super volatile and it can really test your patience mentally, because not all weeks are going to be like this. You're going to have losing weeks. You're going to have weeks where things just don't go right. And it's about sticking with it, having patience, having great bankroll management, and continuing to search for new, fresh traders to add to your arsenal to keep things fresh. Because that's how you're going to continue to grow. Because the wallets that hit me these last trades were wallets that I found fairly recently. Now, there are some wallets like the wDOG Gem wallet that I continue to copy trade that I've been doing for months and they continue to provide profit. That's not always the case, and that's why having access to these Zelfie Guru spreadsheets on a daily basis, and that's how you're going to consistently win in this space, is by consistently adding profitable traders to your copy trading and building your arsenal of traders that are out there trading for you. So guys, I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. I hope you guys were able to hit on some great trades like I did, especially that wDOG, if you guys were following the wDOG Gem wallet. That was an easy one that you guys could have shared with as well. Hope you guys found value in this video. If you did, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments down below, how has this last week been for you trading meme coins? Were you able to get on that wDOG trade? Did you hit on some other copy trades? I'll be interested to hear about it. Let me know in the comments down below. And until the next time we will talk again, take care and take charge. Creative Crypto out.